Hey everyone, today I wanted to get on here and show you guys the app that was recommended when you download the Smart Launcher 6 app for the Boox Palma. Now you can use this for any Android based device. I'm just using my Boox Palma to show you how to further customize your apps, the appearance of your Boox Palma, and again, this app is just to change the original software that launches when you start up the Boox Palma. So what you're going to do is, let's see if I can find it. It's called Icon Pack Studio. And when you first download the Smart Launcher 6 app, it will suggest kind of somewhere in the app, I don't exactly remember, I think it was like on my home screen when you swipe over to find all your other apps. It did have a suggestion there, and I also showed it in the video of me showing you the Smart Launcher 6 app. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it since I already downloaded it, and I downloaded it in that video so you could see what the icon looks like and all of that. So when you open the app, this is what it's going to look like. Now, I only have the free version of this, so there's only certain icon packs that you can use for this specifically. Now, if you buy the pro version, which I said it was like roughly $9 in the other video, then you can have all of them, which I may eventually do that, but for right now, the free one is working just fine for me. And now I do already have one downloaded that I'm going to use to show you, but I'm going to kind of scroll through here to show you. See, like, you will still be able to see the appearance of the icon and the effects that they have on it, stuff like that. Like this one has like a little bit of a shadow back here. Sometimes they will have like different shapes on here, so you will still be able to see the appearance of it, just not the color that they have for the icons. So it will still be in black and white. So I think what I'm actually going to do is download this one just so you can see. You tap on it, and it tells you kind of the effect that they used on it, and what they called it. So I'm just going to click on download, and now you can see that it appeared in my library. This is the one that I previously downloaded. So now I'm going to tap on this one, and you can, of course, it still shows you kind of what the apps look like, or the icons look like, and then you can either edit, or this person has already created, but I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm not even going to mess with any of that. And then I'm going to click apply. Now you can do it just specifically for the apps on your home screen, or what they're calling your app page, which I know it as the app drawer. So I just do it for both of them just because I want everything to look the same. And so now it says that it was applied. Now I'm going to go back to my home screen, and it's kind of hard to see with especially the background that I have, so it's kind of hard to see it. And so here is what the actual icons look like. As you can see, it still has like the shadow in the background and all of that. So yeah, and then now if you want to go back to just like the original icons that came with the software, or the Smart Launcher 6 software, they have like a base app or app icon appearance. So what you can do is, let's see, I think it's you tap and hold, then you go to this global appearance, then you will click back on your icon appearance, and it will bring this page back up. Now what I'm going to do is select up here on the icon pack, and it will bring you to this setting right here. And to get it back to your how you had it, or how it comes, the software comes, in the previous video, you've seen that I had the heart-shaped icons, which I really, really like those. So I'm just going to tap back on this themed icon, and it will take my icons back to how I originally had them. You can also click on default, which, again, it's still the same thing, but as you can see, some of the background for the icons changed. So that's really the only difference between those two. Or you can go back to the icon pack studio to change it again as well. So I hope this little video was helpful. And if you guys have any other questions, or you want to see more or anything like that, please feel free to leave me a comment. And thank you guys so much for watching.